Hi students, in previous video we discussed how to perform SLL deletion operation diagrammatically with an example we have discussed. If you have not seen that video, you please go and see that video and then see the implementation. Then it is easy to understand. Okay, so now how to delete a node in single linked list. Now for example, recollect how to delete. Okay, so now this is single linked list. Suppose head node is there. Now I want to delete this node. This is nothing but a temp node. So now like this we want to give the link modification. Okay, so now this is nothing but this is actually PTR na. So how to give the link? A PTR of next equal to what we have to store? This we have to store, which is nothing but temp of next. This modification we will do. And deallocate the memory. This is temp node. So deallocate the memory. Deallocation is nothing but releasing the memory. Releasing the memory is nothing but what? Free. For allocation, we are using the function malloc function. For deallocation, we are using the function free function. Okay. So this we will do in a program. This program we will do we have done the program insertion operation in SLL na. In the same we will write this deletion operation. Let us start deletion operation. See, now the same program, see how I am modifying this one. Just save as SLL deletion.c I am giving. The same program is copied here. Here only deletion we are doing na. So I am removing this insertion. Only deletion we will do. Okay. So here we will remove this insertion printf display. Now what we are doing? We are doing deletion operation. Okay. Right. For deletion operation, take one function void. Don't take delete as the function name. Why? Because it is a keyword in C++. So here this window is Turbo C++ editor. So it is identifying this as a keyword. That's why we will not take that as a function name. So we are changing that, or you can take del, which is nothing but deletion operation. Which element you want to delete? Yes, integer ELE. Okay. So now see how I am writing the program, how I am completing the function. Observe that one. Okay. So which element we want to delete? ELE we want to delete. To delete the element, first we have to search whether that mode is present or not. Okay. So first temporary variable, temporary node we will create na. Struct node star temp. And don't forget to initialize a PTR to head node. Okay, why? Because in display operation we moved pointer to the last position to display the data. So we were moving back now, PTR equal to head. So we have to search whether that node is present or not. So up to which position? Until end of the list. So PTR of next not equal to null. Then check whether that element is present or not. PTR of next of data equal to element. Then the element is present in list. Then how to delete? Make one temp node as PTR's next node. Then give the pointers. So PTR of next equal to temps next. Temps next. And we have to free temp node. If both are not matched, that means what does it mean? See, here if you observe, suppose 10, 20, 30. Now I want to delete like 12 I want to delete. Element equal to 20. 20 I want to delete. That means, so that 20 and 10 are compared. If both are not equal, go to next node. 20, 20 are equal. Then we are making this node as temp node. That we are doing now. Okay. Now, if both are not matched, then what we have done? So we moved pointer to the next node. The same thing now we will do. Okay. Alt enter. Yeah. Else ptr equal to ptr of next. Like that you have to repeat until the last node. Suppose if you reach to the end of the list, if ptr equal to null, then the element is not present. Element is not present. Now close this. This is deletion function. Okay. So now we will call. Now list is created here. Now we will delete. Suppose del of 20 I want to delete. After that, whether it is deleted or not, how can we know? Just call the function display. So here simply we will write some statement. After deletion, the SLL is colon double quotations. Save the program. Compile. No errors, no warnings. So no worries. Execute. See? After deletion, we will display in the new line. Na? After deletion, this one we will write in new line. Save, compile, execute. See, 10, 20, 30. After deletion, the SLL is 20 deleted. Then the list consisting of 10 and 30. Now, you may get doubt. Like, you are deleting only particular element 20. So now I want to read whatever the element you want to delete. That you can give like this. Like integer element. Here, read that element printf /n, enter element to be deleted, and then scanf %d double quotes close address of element. Now pass that as parameter, that will be removed now. Now see once. Compile, execute. See, enter element to be deleted. Now it is asking for element. Now I am writing 20 to delete. See, after deletion, the SLL is 10, 30. 20 is deleted. Okay, for example, enter element to be deleted. See, after deletion, actually the element is, after deletion, see that 100 is not present. After deletion, the SLL is. So now the SLL is 10, 20, 30. Again here after deletion, the SLL is. In the display again we have given na. After deletion, the SLL is. Again we have called display function. In the display again the SLL is we have given na. So that's why it printed like both. So that's why it printed twice, the SLL is like that. Okay, so hope you understand this single linked list deletion operation, students. Have a great day. Bye. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in comment box. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Bye.